Hey everybody, I'm here today with a video on the Fitbit Sense. I will be showing you and telling you how to get text messages on your Fitbit Sense. How to display your received text messages on your Fitbit Sense, I should say. This is a simple tutorial, so let's get right into the video. As you can see, I have my Fitbit Sense connected to an Android tablet, but it's going to be the same process pretty much regardless of whatever device you're using. So we're going to go ahead and we are going to open up your device, okay, and go into your Fitbit app, okay? So when you're in your Fitbit app, and I'll tell you a few tips towards the end of this video, okay? When you're in your Fitbit app, you want to go to your avatar on the top left corner right over there. You want to click on your device, which is the Sense for me. Then you want to go to your notifications. So I'm going to click notifications. And then here's the thing. Essentially, it's asking you which notifications you want. And so for text messages, which app you want the text messages to be associated with. So if I click text messages right there, it's actually telling me that it wants the default messaging app to be this one. And if you would obviously would choose whichever text messaging app you use, okay? So you want to make sure you have the correct app chosen for text messages that you will be receiving, and also that on has been swiped on. So we are receiving notifications for text messages because it's on, the notification setting is on, and they're coming through the app of messages. For your device, it might be a different app, right? So I'm just going to go back over here. We're going to go back again. And that's it. Now, the thing that you need to remember is the following, okay? In order to actually receive the text messages, your device, your phone or your tablet, should be able to display your messages on the lock screen, okay? Because what it wants to know is that if you're saying, yes, this device can display text messages on the lock screen, then you're basically saying it's okay for the Fitbit Sense to display the text messages on its lock screen. So you have to make sure that that setting is turned on. With my wife's Fitbit, it was, I believe the Versa was what she was using. It wasn't displaying the text messages because she didn't have the setting set on her phone to display the text messages on the lock screen. That's how we solved it. So I just figured that I would include that in this video. Also, you want to make sure that your Do Not Disturb mode is off. So make sure you're not on Do Not Disturb. If you are on Do Not Disturb, then it's, it might be problematic. So if you go to your settings, if you have your Do Not Disturb right here, if it's enabled, you might have trouble displaying the text messages because it doesn't want to send you any notifications. So that's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.